Here we have this 70 plate BMW M135i XDRIVE. It comes with a Masano blue exterior paintwork. We've got the LED headlights with the kidney grills in the centre, and we've got the M Performance kit on it as well, making this front end look nice and aggressive. We've got the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the M Performance brakes with the blue calipers behind. We've got the black side skirts at the bottom. Privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with the black trim around the outside. Colour-coded door handles with the grey door mirrors. We've also got the colour-coded shark fin antenna up top with the spoiler on the rear. Again, making this back end look nice and aggressive with the diffuser as well, and the dual exit exhaust. Parking sensors running across the rear of the bumper. Now if we just come forward and open the tailgate, underneath the BMW badge, press the button and lift up, and as you can see we've got plenty of space inside there, including the cargo net for accessories. Hand inside and pull down. Now this vehicle does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a closer look at the interior, you'll be able to see we've got the black Alcantara with the blue trigon cloth, Isofix points, and we've also got the M Sport stitching on the seats as well, just there, with the blue stitching here as also. We've also got the electric windows with the blue cloth and the black leather with the blue stitching as well, and the ambient lighting would run across this as it gets a little bit darker. Onto the front, you'll be able to see we've got the same styling front seats, the black Alcantara with the blue trigon cloth, and there is a look at those seats. Both of these front seats are heated. We've also got the adjustable side mirrors with the electric windows, child lock at the rear, premium Harman Kardon sound system, automatic lights with the automatic wipers, and the multifunctional steering wheel. As we take a seat inside and turn this vehicle on, put my foot on the brake, press the start button, and as you can see on the dashboard, we're free from any warning lights other than the fuel. On the steering wheel here we've got the heated seat button, so as you can see it says heated steering wheel activated, and then you press it again and it says that it is deactivated. We've got the cruise control and speed limiter with the paddle shift to the left, and we've also got the volume button with the paddle shift to the right. We've also got the menu button just here, which will come up on the digital dashboard as well also. Onto the main screen, we've got the satellite navigation. We've also got the DAB radio with the Bluetooth media, Bluetooth phone connectivity. If I just go to the home screen and scroll down to car, we'll just go into the settings. You'll be able to see we've got the interior lighting as well, and you can change the colour of that all the way from bronze down to lilac. My favourite colour is blue, so I'm going to stick with that. If we go back to the main screen and onto apps, you'll be able to see the apps that are installed onto this vehicle. And also if we go into car, onto settings again, and if we go across to the driver assistance, you'll be able to see all the different safety features on this car. So we've got the front collision warning with the lane departure. We've also got the speed limit, parking and manoeuvring, and it also gives you feedback on the steering wheel as well. We've also got the heated seats on both sides with a heated rear window with a dual climate control. We've got a place for your key and your phone with your cup holders, USB, automatic gearbox with the different drive mode buttons. So if we just press these here, comes up on screen all the different drive modes in which this vehicle can be driven. We've also got the dial with the manual functions for the screen. We've also got the traction control just there, electric parking brake. We've got the armrest here, and if we open up, we've got a space inside with a USB-C also. Now I'm just going to pop this vehicle into reverse, and as you can see, we've got the sensors on screen there, popping it back into neutral and keeping this vehicle safe. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW M135i XDRIVE. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I have to fire up the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, now veering off to the left or to the right hand side but staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters either side, so if you want to stick the car into manual mode, simply tap on the paddles and it will change gear. We do also have the cruise control on the speed limiter buttons just here on the left hand side, volume buttons on the right. My steering wheel is also heated. We can press this button just here in the centre and it will activate the heated steering wheel. We've got the digital dashboard in front of us. We can show what different displays and different features you would have seen on the photos. We do also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, which really does sound incredible. And if you do listen carefully as well throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do have the M Sport seats in this vehicle, really comfortable seats, easy to do 200, 300 and 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. Now we do have many more features on the interior of this vehicle. For example, the ambient lighting, which runs across the doors just here, looks really nice, especially at night time. We have the main screen here in the centre. It's currently showing the sat nav, but also has many more features you would have seen on the photos. For example, the DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity. We've got the button just here for the intelligent safety system, which makes it a very safe vehicle to drive. We also have the dual zone climate control for the front passengers and the air-to-go air conditioning, automatic gearbox as well with all the different drive modes. Now in a moment we are about to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park where a well performed emergency stop, put the car into reverse just to show the brakes and also the parking sensors work as they should do. So we've got our right indicator on, we're starting to slow down and we're waiting for the traffic to pass before we make the right hand turn onto the industrial park. So taking the turn now onto the industrial park, perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1, on onto the brakes, put the car into reverse, got the parking sensors up here on the screen, back into drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all and answer questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.